What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gigi. Anyway, so a bunch of you guys had asked me to do kind of like a day in the life Gigi, which I figured I'd do today. See if you guys kind of like that. Anyway, it's 8:35 right now. I'm waiting for my neighbor to come pick me up in his 720S Spider. We're gonna head to Expressives and Exotics, and then I'm gonna take my car over to my wrap place, get my bumper wrapped. We'll do story time in a little bit about that. So yeah, stay tuned. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, you're so cute. This is Willow. Brody. Got that morning Cliff Bar snack. You know the vibe. My morning Uber is here. 720S Spider. Morning Uber part 2.
Round 2.
So I had my alarm set for 7:30 this morning. We were planning on leaving by 8. And I texted Zach and I was like, I don't think I can do this because last night I think I went to bed at like 3:30 or something, or the past 2 nights I just had I've had really bad like sleep insomnia, and so it's been real brutal. And this morning I literally like debated with myself for like 30 minutes straight if I was gonna get up or not and go, and well, I'm here. That's really out there. New rims for the 720.
Special.
Back the F all. That's funny. One of my favorite specials. I like this color. Oh, I forgot he got rift exhaust. That's nice. Supra? This blue is nice. Very nice.
That's
New Lotus. Look who decided to roll up. Wow, you actually came. Wow, you guys came.
Hey, your car's here.
Who's in the back? Oh, hey. Hey.
This is what you've come to?
You took the whole
This is what you've come to?
Hey, I can't control how
Yeah.
you never know.
I'm not bringing a camera to a car show anymore.
Kicks.
What's up, girl? What's up?
Suck it. Stop it. You're embarrassing me.
I'm making your vlog more interesting.
You want to break it down right now?
Not in Panera.
Not in Panera? You don't want to make a scene?
What are you talking about?
We got a wide variety of brands going on here. Too
Wait,
many.
hold on. Yeah, see?
But it's not accurate because you don't have your silver bumper. So.
Hey, we're not talking about it till later.
It's so pretty though.
Yeah, it's okay.
It makes you unique. Rap delete.
Can you stop?
How's the drink? Warm.
No. Do it.
Like cool and slow. Ow!
Ew. I just cringed.
I know.
Alright, let's leave. That's it. That's our time to leave.
Too. I should.
Okay, well, Zach and I just froze our butts off because Zach wore shorts.
Always.
But we're leaving Expresses and Exotics because it's kind of boring now. So I'm gonna go pick my car up and then, yeah. How do people forget to close their gas cap? Like, how? Like, is it? Oh, she's pretty young. Like, how do you put it in the thing and forget to close it? I don't understand. Alright guys, I just got home, picked up my car, heading over to Luso. Basically like 2 weeks ago. I know it was on Life of Palace that I crashed my car, which was false. I didn't crash my car. My car was in the shop because a piece of rubber on the freeway had flown back and hit me and cracked the bottom of my bumper. So I got that fixed. So I gotta go get the bumper fixed. So it will be back in shape. Well, there she is. I've been driving around for a day and a half like this. It's great. Alright, so dropped my car off really quick. Now I'm back at Royalty, and now Houston and I are going to save the day. Somebody broke down in the 458, so we have the tow truck, and we are headed out to say hey, interrupting my vlog.
Oh no.
So we're heading out to the Hoover Dam to save the day. Woo woo. So are we going to save the day or what?
I'm about to teach you everything you need to know about fixing and saving supercars, okay?
Sounds good.
Extra large gloves. Did you unlock the truck? So after I teach you how to fix a car, tow a car, we're gonna pick up Carly and go to an escape room. It's gonna be great.
Sounds great. Fabulous day.
It's gonna be such a fun day.
The real question is, what kind of escape room is it?
Escapology.
But like, there's themes.
It's called Antidote. I actually already paid for it.
Oh, okay.
So
right.
we gotta go. It's at 2 o'clock.
Sounds fun.
Blinker! Where are you from?
Nevada.
9 minutes! Let's turn around a roundabout.
This guy put his left blinker on to go around the roundabout, and then he veered right and he put the right one on.
It's insane! Hey.
This guy's going so slow.
We're never gonna get there.
Oh, I see it. I see Ferrari. Way down there.
I was way off.
I see it. Kind of.
You did a ride? Yeah. Okay, cool.
What a rough day. 458 down.
Lift up, please.
What? Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Tony, get up. We're not gonna be. We need to move that ramp in. Turn it. We're gonna have to turn the car. We have enough power to hopefully just back the car up and just drive it up here. If not, we're gonna have to load it up and do the whole winch maneuver and everything. Let's just pray for us that we can get it up here.
You got it, Tony!
Come on. We made it.
Good job, Tony.
Tony.
Great job, Tony. Leave the window down. Just crack it a little bit in case the battery dies.
Well, that was easier than we thought.
Much easier. Every time I tow a car, I forget to put these back in. Every single time. Literally, why? Why do these have to go in those things? They don't fit in the regular ones. Now I gotta see, look.
Oh, I get it. You put it up. Okay. Shoot. You would have thought one of us would be smart.
These things up. So, oh well, whatever. All right, we're gonna strap it down. We're gonna get back to the office, and we're not gonna bore you with the ability to make fun of me putting the straps on. Okay? That's it.
Man, you could take some good selfies in this little mirror thing. Alright.
The proper way to do the straps, Gigi, is for you not to do the straps. Okay?
What do you mean? This isn't adding up.
It's not adding up, I'm just kidding. Last time I had my car towed, before I towed it myself, I had a tow truck driver not strap it down and it dropped the car on the back of the thing. It was like at 2 in the morning, it was crazy. It was nuts. But yeah, you can see that link to that video in my thing. I had a tow truck driver drop a 720S off the back of a tow truck.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, it was a good one.
Yeah, we don't want to do that
today. You
today.
know what, to be honest, it's really crazy. The yellow on yellow really matches
Yeah, I was
this
just
car.
thinking that on the other side, it matches.
I like the way it looks, and I feel like this car fits perfectly in the back of a tow truck. You know, Ferraris, you know, they're sensitive, right?
As you're patting it, it's like, it's okay.
It's okay, right? He just wanted to ride home. It's just windy outside. You know, why put it through a lot of stress?
It's just an excuse to go back.
Exactly.
It didn't want to be here.
That's a security checkpoint over there. You're technically not even allowed to film that. You know? Before you know it, we're gonna be like,
I mean, hey, look.
no authorized. But hold on, let me show you. See, look, I got my lights on, so I'm authorized. All you need is yellow flashing lights, and you're authorized to go anywhere.
And that is how you tow a Ferrari.
Hey, making money.
Oh, a Ventador.
Have you seen any of our other cars?
I saw a red one. Maybe they'll do cool. Wow, very nice.
What's up, guys? I'm finally home. It's been literally the longest day of my life. I've literally been out going since 8 o'clock this morning, so it's nice to be home. But anyway, I know I had mentioned to you guys I was gonna do, and a bunch of you had asked if I could do like a day vlog, just like daily routine, stuff like that. Nothing like, you know, crazy like car shows and how my other videos are really. It didn't exactly happen that way, so we're gonna have to do another video like that later this week or next week, because I'm really curious to see if you guys will like those kind of videos, because if so, I can do a lot more of those and it'll be fun. Anyway, later this week, I'm going on New Rally, headed to LA on Friday. New Rally Saturday the 15th to Monday the 17th, and we are headed to Malibu to Santa Barbara to San Jose to Napa to San Francisco, and then back to LA. Sunday morning, I will be in Livermore. I think Livermore Porsche we will be at. We're hosting a really big meetup there. We're meeting up with a bunch of the NorCal guys. So stay tuned for all those details. If you guys live in NorCal and want to like come out and see us, definitely come out. So yeah, those will be fun videos to watch. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.